Hello everyone, I am Sumit and today we are going to conduct an activity. It is really very interesting. And how is it going to be? These are five people. We have Lakshay, Anushka, we have Shreya, Arpita and Ronak here on the stage. And the activity is I am going to ask these people questions and there is a condition. They have to answer these questions but they cannot answer these questions in one word. They have to use at least a single sentence and that is the only thing which they have to do. If they answer it in one word, then they will get eliminated. So let's see who wins this. Let's start with Anushka first. So, Anushka, how are you?
Sir, I'm good.
Really, are you good?
Yes, sir, I'm really good.
In which class you are?
Sir, I'm studying in sixth class.
So, are you doing hard work as well?
Uh, yes, sir, I'm also doing hard work for my midterm exams and also finals.
And which is your favorite subject?
Sir, I like to study most maths because it is also interesting and also it has equations.
And okay, what about the marks you get? Like, do you get top marks in maths or they are average?
Sir, I get top marks in maths.
And what was your score last time?
So last time it was near to nine. It was near to 93.
93, really?
Yes, sir. It was.
So there was a slight pause in the answer, and that is the reason Anushka will get eliminated. So let's move to another contestant, and she is Shreya. So how are you, Shreya?
Yes, sir, I'm fine.
Really, are you fine?
Yes, sir, I'm fine.
Great. So how many family members are there in your home?
My family consists of four members, which are my father, my mother, and my older brother.
And how old are you?
I am currently 17 years old now.
You are 17 years old. It means you have become wise, right?
Sorry, sir?
You have become wise, intelligent. Are you mature enough?
Yeah, I am mature enough.
And what are you doing nowadays?
I am currently passed out from 12th and I have given my CUT exam, so just waiting for my college answer.
Okay, and which course are you going to pursue after you crack your CUT exam?
I'm gonna pursue BCom honors.
BCom honors.
Yes, sir.
We have got Shreya eliminated as well. So let's move to Arpita now. So Arpita, how are you?
Sir, I'm good.
And what is your aim, Arpita?
Sir, I want to become a doctor.
Which kind of doctor?
Sir, I want to become a cardiologist.
Why cardiologist?
Sir, it is my dream to become a cardiologist because I have to cure a heart patient because
Only a heart patient.
yes.
Yes. And Arpita has got eliminated as well. So let's move to Ronak. So Ronak, how are you?
I'm fine, sir.
Okay, are you really fine?
Yeah, I'm really fine.
And what about your result? Have you got good result in 10th class?
No, I didn't get good result,
And what is the reason behind it?
so I didn't prepare for my exam. Well,
And why didn't you prepare?
so I didn't prepare because I was not much. What do we say that? Uh,
You were not much what?
I was.
Okay, let's leave it. Let's talk about your favorite subject. Which is your favorite subject?
So it's science.
And which thing in science like physics, chemistry, math, also not math, bio, which one is your favorite?
So physics is my favorite.
And why is it your favorite?
So because there are, it seems like mix of math and science, and there are a lot of things like electricity. So it's my favorite.
Okay, and you want to become an engineer?
Yeah, I want.
Okay, that's great. And who's your favorite teacher?
My favorite teacher is Sumit sir.
And why? Me, I am your favorite. Okay, why am I your favorite?
So because your teaching style is different than other.
Okay, how is it different? Can you explain that?
So you are very good teacher because when we don't do well, you motivate us.
Okay, really, do I motivate?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. So everyone is speaking yes, sir, yes, sir. Like, yes is the only reason that they are getting eliminated. Well, we have got these people eliminated Anushka, Shreya, Arpita, and Ronak. The last person is Lakshay. So, what do you think, guys? Will Lakshay be able to make it? What do you think, guys? Will he be able to make it? Or he will get eliminated soon? Soon? How much time will he be able to manage it? 1 minute or 2 minutes or what? 3 to 2 minutes, 2 to 3 minutes. More than that? Do you bet on it? No. What do you think? In 1 minute?
Yeah.
In 1 minute. Okay, let's see that. So how are you, Lakshay?
Sir, I'm fine.
Really? Are you fine?
Yes, sir. Can't you look it?
I can look that, but maybe inside, maybe your heart is broken.
No, sir. I'm really very fine.
Okay, that's great. So in which class you are?
Sir, I'm studying in 8th class.
And which is your favorite subject?
Sir, I'm interested in maths.
Maths?
Yes, sir. I'm interested in maths.
That's great. And which is your school? Like, what is your school name?
My school name is Paramount International School.
Is it really international?
No, sir, but it is good and it is.
International means it must have branches around the world.
No, sir, it is not.
So why have they said it international?
Sir, I don't know that this can be their choice.
Okay. And where is it?
Sir, it is located in Dwarka, Sector 23.
So do you think they are teaching good?
No, sir, they are not. And if you will study, then they are teaching good. If like you are a backbencher,
Okay, it means if a student is studying, then that is good school, right?
yes, sir, it is good.
And what about you?
Sir, I am a good student and I also do study, and this school is good for me.
Okay, that's great. And are you interested in sports?
Yes, sir, I am interested in sports and basically in basketball.
Why basketball?
Sir, it is a international sport and it is also played in Olympics, and I want to become an Olympics champion, so I'm interested in.
Who is your favorite teacher there at your school?
My favorite teacher is my like science teacher.
Why science teacher?
Sir, she is a very good person and she is very good at teaching. She teaches in a
teaches.
she teaches in a manner that no one can.
Hey, that's great. It seems interesting. So, do you have any other teacher who is your favorite?
Yes, sir. That is my maths teacher, who is
And what is the name of your math teacher?
my maths teacher name is Meenakshi ma'am.
Okay, and what is her surname?
Her surname is Sharma.
So, the full name is?
Her full name is Meenakshi Sharma.
Meenakshi Sharma. Okay, that's great. So, do you know where does she live?
No, sir, I don't know that.
And how do you commute like to your school? Like from bike or by bus?
Sir, I go by school bus and it is really very costly.
Okay, and how many friends do you have in your school?
Sir, I have like whole school is my friend.
Whole school, it means 2000 students.
Yes, sir.
How? How can you say that?
Sir, because like
Yes, sir. He said yes, sir. No? Okay, he got eliminated. I didn't realize that he got eliminated. He said yes, right? Where? When? At which question?
You ask which school is your friend?
He said yes, sir. Right? So you got eliminated, Lakshay. So I think Lakshay has made it. Like he spoke. I think more than you people or what? How much? What do you feel? He spoke more than you. So Lakshay is the winner. So clapping for Lakshay. It is not loud enough, guys. Okay. So we have got our winner today. So guys, if you are looking to learn English, so make sure you subscribe to our channel and you also participate in these kind of communicative practices. Thank you so much. Like, share and subscribe.